My dear friend, why you look so happy today, and what is the reason for inviting me in dinner?
I gave you this party for my first income from Fiverr.
Really? I believe that you will be success, because you worked so hard.
Thanks. My friend, what are you doing now?
Not something.
A wise advice for you. You should learn freelancing.
I heard that it's so hard to learn.
Who says that wrong things to you? Do you know? Nowadays it is a workplace of many people. If you take some proper steps from today, you will be success at a time. A wise man says that hard work beats talent when talent doesn't hard work.
I can do it. Thanks, friend. You inspire me and you open my eyes.
Don't kill your valuable time. You will be success like me and there is not any wrong. And you know also proverb time and tide wait for none. So start out from today.
Thanks, friend, for your wise advice. Let's high five.
Hey friend, how are you? How many days had passed to meet?
I am fine, and a good news for you.
What?
For your advice, I become a professional freelancer in digital marketing field.
Yes. I know would be successful and now you are.
Thanks, my friend.